The next thing we're going to look at is comments. Now, comments will seem very pointless at the moment, but I want to introduce them because they're good practice. So, what I'm going to do here, I'll save that document and then I'll close that. So I'm going to make a new document here. I'll just close my live preview as well. So new document, file new, and I'll save as comments. Okay, save at the beginning folder, and I'll say comments. Now, in this again, I'm just going to do the structure. Eventually the structure will kind of seep into your consciousness, and you'll do it without thinking. So again, HTML5 is the version, and HTML, we'll start it there. Language equals English. There are other alternatives if you fancy doing it in a different language. So again, I'll give myself a wee bit of room to breathe. I'll put in the head. Okay, and I'll put a title. And I'll put in the body. And again, I'll just stick in a paragraph. Right. So again, if I save this and I live preview it, you'll just see it, a document will come up that says hello world, and that's fine. Now what I'm about to do will have no bearing on the appearance of the document, but I'm going to show you how you do comments. Comments are something you want to get into the habit of using, because you can explain what is going on the page, or you can put your name on it, or you can do a whole host of things. Essentially where I find comments useful is if I'm writing some code and then I have a few days off and I go back to my code, sometimes I actually forget what I was trying to do. But let's look at some comments. So to put a comment in, you start your tag, exclamation mark, and then 2 dashes, and you'll see it goes grey. Now at this point the whole page is greyed out, but don't worry. Basically what that means is the computer is going to ignore the grey text, the browser will not look at it. So I'm just going to say web page comments example dash dash, and then close your tag, and I'll put another one by Michael dash dash tag, and I'll put another one on October 12th. There we go. So I save it, and you will see that there is absolutely no effect on the appearance of the page at all. When the computer sees this, it knows to ignore it. So this is just for our use. Okay. Further down the line, you'll do a wee bit of scripting in this course, and comments are very useful in scripting. Okay. They can be useful when you're structuring a page as well. But I could put comment further down here. I'm going to put some more stuff here. Okay, I'll just drag that out. And again, absolutely no difference in terms of what you see. If I drag this across, and I'll press F12 on my keyboard. That's in brackets preview, sorry, I'll do this a wee bit differently. Let me go into my folder where I've been saving the stuff. Begin encoding. Okay, and there's comments. And I'll just open that with Chrome. And you'll see that's what the page looks like, but if I press F12, you'll see there's my comments. Okay, but the user will never see them in the web page themselves. They are just useful to us and other developers. Okay, so it might seem like a pointless example, but it will stand you in good stead further down the line.